This video will give you a quick overview of how to install a Grundfos SOLOLIFT2 unit. Before you start, make sure all building regulations and requirements are complied with, and you have all the necessary tools and equipment ready to hand. First, identify where the soil stack that you should connect to is located. Check to make sure the area is clean and dry, and that there is no debris on the floor. Check that the floor is level and even. Decide on the position for the SOLOLIFT2, toilet and sink. During installation, be careful not to damage the unit or connecting pipes. Apply a gentle force and do not use a hammer or heavy tools, as this can easily cause damage or breakages. A helpful tip is, when installing parts with rubber seals, use a little soapy water to assist. Install the waste pipe from the sink, ensuring the pipe has a fall of at least 1%. To connect the waste pipe to the inlet, first remove the end cap. Cut out the blank entry on the cap with a knife. Refit the cap to the inlet and install the inlet pipe cover. The flexible inlet pipe cover can be twisted and bent to any required position and orientation. If you like to install a smaller pipe, then use an adapter. In case you need to install a larger pipe, use a knife to remove the narrow end of the cover. Finally, secure the inlet pipe cover and the waste pipe with clamps. Next, install the discharge pipes securely. Ensure that you use the correct bends with the necessary fall and connect to the soil stack. The SOLOLIFT2 unit allows for the outlet to be positioned either to the side of the unit or to the top to suit your installation. Remember to add a plug to the end that you don't need. Connect the outlet connection elbow, then connect the discharge pipe. If you wish to install a smaller discharge pipe, then use an adapter. If you use a larger pipe, cut off the flexible rubber discharge outlet to increase the size of the inner diameter. It is recommended that you add a drain to dewater the discharge pipe in case of service. Remember to fit it with a plug. Secure the unit to the floor with the fixings provided. These simply slide into place on either side of the unit. Then screw them down. Now connect the toilet. Consult the installation manual for information on the required distance from the wall. Pull the outlet cover over the toilet outlet pipe and secure it. Fix the toilet to the floor. At this point, the electricity supply should be connected to a suitable outlet by a qualified professional, following all local regulations. Apply the user reminder stickers inside the lid, so they remain visible for the user. And you're done. For a more detailed description, consult the SOLOLIFT2 installation manual.